Hey everybody, welcome back to Do Metal Stuff. I've got these flat bars. I want to do the 3-plate method. So I was thinking, do I need to lay them down like this? Or should I use it when it's standing up? This is 40 millimeter wide and this is 15 millimeter wide. So that's where I'm stuck at. I don't know what's better. I can guess because if it lays down like this, it will be staying mostly horizontal. But when you lift something like this up, like so, it's prone to bend. So maybe I need to do it like so, because this height will be lesser bending when you move it around. But then this 50 millimeters is probably too small against this surface over here, because this is almost 40 millimeters wide. And why almost? This is a casting, so it shifts a little bit around. And my RAM is still in the box. I was gonna go and surface grind both sides, the top and the bottom side. But every time I ask the man if I can come by, he ain't there. So that's on hold. So what is your idea about scraping these in with the three plate method? Do I attack this surface or do I attack this surface? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this short video.